vlog 23 or so, I think. Basically I put all my videos together the past 2 days. I've not sat down and edited them and uploaded them yet, so I do need to do that. But today, going to kayaking in the mangroves. That is at about, well, it's in 15 minutes, so I'm going 7-Eleven getting water and then scrun it whilst I wait for the bus. Yeah, I'm excited, man. It's 8:15, yeah. And then later on I got another pub crawl, which should be fun. Hopefully don't finish in as much of a state as I did last time. And then I've also got an evening tour the day after of like the 7 islands around Krabi. So I will actually get some sightseeing done, because I feel like I've just stayed around the hostel again. Go to like Raleigh Beach, like the famous one. So I've got my breakfast, but I can't find any bug spray. And my feet, man. So hopefully someone else will have it and I'm just feeding up theirs, because my feet are so bitten up. I'm by the door and there's no mosquito netting, so my feet are just teased, like actually in bits. I think I'm on a couple's tour, I swear to God. Everyone here's a couple, other than me and this just one bloke, but he seems a bit dodgy, so I'm not talking to it. The journey was like half an hour. It wasn't too bad, but it was like on the edge of a cliff. I'll try and show you whatever. I don't know whether you can see it. I think we're going through there. Like, there's a gap over there. I'm in a jungle, mate. Loads of signs saying like, what's the word? Don't feed monkeys. Am I stupid? Yeah, there's a lot. So all I'm saying is, right, if a monkey jumps on my kayak, I'm just accepting the fate. Well, I'm just dead. Feet are getting bombed. Absolutely fiddled. Too scared to ask anyone if they've got spray, so I'm just filming it. Love that because it's a high tide, we can go everywhere. It only lasts 2 hours apparently, but we stop off at a cave. It's called Crocodile Cave. That'll be really fun. And then the beach. Oh, we're moving. Oh, that's a terrible video. Cave, there's too many people, so we're not allowed in. I keep pretending to paddle because I'm fat and he's doing everything, and I might turn every now and then. Cool. Smart police. Canyon point out. Check it out, mate. word. Boss man's found a snake. Where is it?
Where you put where?
Oh, I can see it. It's like in there. His head there. You can see his little head.
Okay. You I already you see it, yeah? Where you put where? Để con. Okay. You I already you see it, yeah? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, this is a mangrove snake. Yes.
God, I didn't do the afternoon session, by the way, because this water all would have been gone, and I would have had to walk. You wouldn't have been able to come through this bit. Literally, you have to walk through it. And he also said sometimes you can see cobras in the water. Is that funny to you, mate? Is that funny to you? Can't press them. Look at that. Oh, I see the end. Finished with them, with the canyon and mangroves. Now we're going into the sea. I'm cooked, chap. Oh my word. Wow, wow, wow. Mate. It's crazy.
Hello, doggy.
Grab his GoPro. I know, fell in. Bring a towel. Am I a twat? Back to the hostel now. Kit's still asleep. I woke him up, said, do you want to come for food? He said, yeah, give me 10 minutes, but he fell back asleep, so I'm going to get some food on my own because I'm starving. Spawned then. I just rang Lucy for a bit. Nearly fell asleep on the bench. I'm going to bomb the swimming pool and annoy Kit. A man from Mexico and he's been stabbed by the cartel. I'm going to go play him at pool. I hope he don't bring an AK out. Potted the black and then he let me take it out and put it back in, and then I didn't miss a shot. So I basically cheated, but I won. We're going to a viewpoint place for food. Josh and Jamie giving me and Kit this. Oh yeah, I just had a shower. Yeah, and I thought this shower's free, so I smacked the curtain wide open. And this girl literally just put a towel on. Oh, it's so embarrassing. It's so embarrassing. Says, oh shit, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. And then ran and hid in the further shower away. Oh my god. That hilltop, mate. Oh my word. Go on, lad. Jeez. Date spot out. Oh my god. I've ordered waffles because it's a bit too spenny, bruv.
Same.
So did Jamie too. We don't have the cash for it.
I don't fall with though.
Nah, you saying you're like 9-year-olds ain't in the video, bro, don't worry. Leave early because I've got a pub crawl to get to. Come on.
I'll get involved there.
We started, I'm semi-pissed and Kit's still in bed. What? I'm gonna have to grab him his ticket now and take it to him. Try and wake him up. I think all the reps are still hungover from the last time. We're doing no games. We're doing a fire show again though, with the guy in a wheelchair and a little kid. No safety concerns around here. No, like, I've had to change my top. I'm so sweaty and hot. Look at it, man. Ugh. Got my trim too, bonnets. I showered, I've changed top, man. That was disgusting. Cut my shirt.
People, you can get all of them. I drove.
We're on the way back now, that's the end of the vlog. Very good night.